what you feel inside. Take me, so I'll meet you there. No place to hide.